Hey, good evening, everybody. Just came in for the Huntsville Christmas Parade. Man, it's cold out there. Ian, I see you're wanting some sunshine. I think everybody's wanting some sunshine out there. We'll get some tomorrow, but then the clouds come back as we get into Thursday evening. Thursday night, we've got rain coming into early Friday morning. Friday afternoon's cloudy. Then we got more rain coming in Friday night into Saturday. I think the first half of Saturday looking pretty cold. So overall, colder than normal weather is going to continue until we get to late next week. How was my day? Day's been pretty good. Busy. It's a busy time of year for all of us. We had some snow flurries out there earlier. Still probably a couple out there now, but overall, nothing to get too excited about. What we're waiting for is a clearing sky. So let's take a look at temperatures. We're pretty close to freezing now. It's still cloudy. The clouds will linger, and once the clouds leave, the big question tonight is, will we see freezing fog? I think it's really going to be confined to area lakes. It's going to be very isolated, but if you do encounter fog overnight tonight or early tomorrow morning, just be aware, if it's foggy, that fog is going to freeze to bridges. So you're going to have super cooled water droplets that freeze to bridges and overpasses. It's always tricky to forecast this, because a lot of times when it gets this cold, the air is really dry, especially here in December when temperatures are only in the 30s for afternoon highs. So doubtful we'll see a widespread issue out there. Next round of snow up in the upper Midwest, Minneapolis over to Green Bay. And around here, it's still cloudy. So as long as it's cloudy, we're okay. And in fact, temperatures will not drop as much. I've seen other forecasts out there calling for overnight lows in the low 20s. That's not going to happen. Even if we clear out now, I think the lowest we'll get is about 25. I'm forecasting 26 for the low, and I think that looks pretty good right now. Overall, next chance of rain is coming in as we go through Thursday night. So let's take you forward to 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. A cold start, but nothing out of the ordinary. We're not looking at record lows, anything like that. Your heating is going to work a little overtime here the next few days. In fact, next week, your heating bill is going to be higher than normal. Just keep that in mind, and maybe lower the thermostat a little bit down to where you can tolerate it. Probably somewhere in the mid to upper 60s. You should be fine. And then as we go into the tomorrow, I would say before noon, we're still in the 30s. It's just another cold day, even with the sunshine. But I will tell you, the wind's going to be a lot lighter tomorrow. In fact, the wind's going to be calm at noon. So a really nice day, although it's going to feel like February instead of early December. Next weather maker comes in 9 o'clock Thursday night. This is going to be scattered light rain. We're probably going to see some drizzle out there too. Not a lot of rain. In fact, rainfall totals are going to be really low with the next 2 rounds of rain. But it's just the fact that we're going to get rain and these pesky little showers. This is midnight, early Friday morning. And we continue on through the early morning hours on Friday. This disturbance moves east. Most of Friday afternoon, pretty uneventful. Yeah, it's been miserably cold. I see that, Rayanne. And this is the way the whole week's going to play out. So just get used to that. I know it's hard to get used to it. 7-day forecast, 47. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday, rain in the morning especially. And then Saturday, rain probably through midday. And then as we get into Sunday, a few showers early in the day, and we're just stuck. We're stuck in this miserable weather pattern until at least Tuesday of next week. And don't be surprised if by Thursday and Friday of next week, we're talking about maybe mid-60s instead of these 50s. So we'll be talking about that. A lot of aches and pains out there. There's something going around sinus-wise that the sinus pressure is going to be more intense, sinusitis. And I usually have a bout with this sometime in November. It just happens to be late November, early December this year. But again, just be on the lookout for that. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and just take care of yourself out there. This is the way it's going to be. I like above normal winter temperatures myself. I'm going to leave you with this commercial break, and I will see you guys tomorrow night.